From the ever-increasing automotive range, Draper Tools presents the remote hose clip plier. This plier allows the user to remove and fit hose clips in less accessible places. They have locking handles giving the technician increased control. Here you can see the handles being compressed and released with the thumb lock release lever. Of the plier, compress the clip and lock, enabling the user to remove the clip. When fitting a hose clip, the locked jaws hold the clip fully open until the correct position is located and the jaws are released.